Good morning, 8th class. Hope you all are fine. Today it is our lecture number 22, right? Last day you have been assigned to learn or revise the forms of verbs at page number 57 and 58. Your today's task is learn forms of verbs at page number 59. So next page number 59, page of forms of verbs, and you are going to learn the forms of verbs, right? This is page number 59 of PTB English Grammar book. This is page number 59, right? First form of verb is know, knew, known, lead, led, led, lend, lent, and lent, lie, lay, lain, lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, mistake, mistook, mistaken, ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen, run, ran, run, see, saw, seen, sell, sold, sold, shake, shook, shaken, shine, shone, shown, shrink, shrank, shrunk, sing, sang, sung, sink, sank, and sunk, sit, sat, sat, spell, smelt, smelt, speak, spoke, spoken, spring, sprang, sprung, and stand, stood, stood. Next, steal, stole, stolen, strike, struck, struck, swear, swore, sworn, take, took, taken, tear, tore, torn, tell, told, told, right? Must focus the meanings of these verbs also so that you may add in your vocabulary also, right? So this vocabulary will help you in translating the sentences, right? That you are going to start from lesson number 1. Okay, so next task is after forms of verbs is your lesson number 1, use of it and there. So today you are going to learn the use of it and there, right? Use of it and there at page number 69 of the book, right? Here you can see this is your lesson number 1, use of the introductory it and there, right? So both these words are introductory words, right? How these are introductory words, let's see. Read these sentences. Some examples have been given. Read the sentences. It is 7 o'clock, 7 baje hain. It rained yesterday, kal barish hui. There are 10 boys in the classroom. कमरे में 10 लड़के हैं. There were no flowers in the garden. बाग में फूल ना थे. Number 1 sentence, it is 7 o'clock. 7 बजे हैं. कहाँ 7 बजे हैं? घड़ी पर 7 बजे हैं. It's not being told. So it means that in these sentences, subject is not given. तो जब इन sentences में subject missing है तो वहाँ पर it और there जो हैं they act as a subject of the sentence. Here you can see they simply act as subject of the sentence. So it means that it and there are introductory words because they are used in the start of the sentence in place of subject because there is no subject in such type of sentences. Is that clear? You cannot say that it is 7 o'clock. So you are not going to translate it with ye 7 baje hain. It would be wrong. There are 10 boys in the classroom. वहाँ कमरे में 7 या 10 लड़के हैं. It would be wrong. There is no need to translate this there into Urdu like this. This look odd, right? We see that in translating each of them into Urdu, we have left the words it and there untranslated. हम इनको translation में add नहीं करते. Translate करते हुए हम इसको शामिल नहीं करते. It is quite funny to say ये अब 7 बजे हैं, ये कल बारिश हुई थी, या वहाँ कमरे में 10 लड़के हैं, वहाँ बाग में फूल ना थे. तो there is no need to translate it and there into Urdu. तो उर्दू जुमलों में आपको it और there की translation नहीं मिलेगी, राइट? आपने इसको खुद अंदाज़ा लगाना है कि इन सेंटेंसेस में चूंकि हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, देयर इज़ नो सब्जेक्ट हियर. अब जैसे ये सेंटेंस है अब 7 बजे हैं या कल बारिश हुई, राइट? तो इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. बारिश किसने बरसाई या कहाँ 7 बजे हैं, कब 7 बजे हैं, देयर इज़ नो सब्जेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड? सो इट एंड देयर सिंपली एक्ट एज सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, राइट? Now here you have the exercise. आज सख्त गर्मी है. आज सख्त गर्मी है. It is very hot टुडे, शाम हो गई, इट इज़ इवनिंग, मेज़ पर कोई किताब नहीं है, देयर इज़ नो बुक ऑन द टेबल, क्या खेल के मैदान में कोई खिलाड़ी है, क्या, नेक्स्ट इज तालाब में मछलियाँ नहीं हैं, पानी में बहुत से मेंढक थे, प्लेटफॉर्म पर कोई मुसाफिर ना था, खेत में कितने मवेशी थे, टोकरी में कुछ सेब हैं, दरिया के किनारे 4 कश्तियाँ हैं, मकान में कोई ना था, संदूक में नए कपड़े नहीं हैं, छत पर कौन है, क्या ओले पड़ रहे हैं, पिंजरे में शेर ना था. राइट, you have the vocabulary words with you. Have helped you with the vocabulary words, right? So you are going to translate this exercise, right, into English on your grammar notebook, on your practice grammar notebook. Use of it and there. Solve exercise 1, page number 69 on your grammar notebook.